Today I am going to start a new series of tips and tricks for Python. The first trick, we will start with some very amazing thing, that is zip function. So whatever tricks and tips which I am going to share with you every day will be on the basis of the regular coding, which can help us to make our code very efficient. So let's start with the first trick. So today we are going to see about the zip function. So suppose now you want to run two loops or a to list in single for loop, right? Then what to do? Then we can zip the list with the function zip. Let's see how. Suppose I'm doing L1 is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and I have another list with the name, suppose ABC, DE, anything else. Suppose this is our list. Now what we want is, like, we want to do that ABC will be there with the 1. So this is like, suppose, pairing the things. So what we will do is z equal to z L1 comma name, right? Now what I will do is for I comma j in z, print I comma j. See, so it's already paired. So this is the best trick which we can use to pair the things, and it will obviously help you. You can not only just do with the two list, but you can do with the n number of list for the pairing. So thank you and wait for the next trick.